G'day, I'm Melissa Shannon, founder of digitalscrapbookinghq.com, and today I am here with another Christmas album. This year's model is 2016, and this album is an 8x8 album, printed, I'm guessing at Shutterfly, Snapfish, I think, because of the black inside papers and no inner papers. They don't actually say where they're printed. These days I love using Forever because they have beautiful options of lay flat binding and completely seamless binding and things like that. But this one was done back in 2016 or 2017. And I immediately spot there's a little error here on the front cover. I wonder if I have reprinted this or not. Possibly not. So this one's probably due for a reprint as well. Some of my albums I've reprinted and then I just keep the old one and just write draft on the back, and then I leave them out for small hands. We don't have many small hands around here anymore. Matthew's 7, so the baby in this picture. So for this album, I think I made, yes, I did use templates. I used the click or drag templates from Laurie Callison, which are available on DigiScrapHQ. And I did a consistent typewriter font, and then this league script for the days. And then this is a Tracy Reed card from her 2014 Pocket Life kits. I'll link you up to anything that's still available. I mean, these are from 2016, so there may not be still available, but I'll link you up in case you're interested. Kings Park visit. Lots of documenting for the upcoming wedding of my brother and sister-in-law. And then mops, documenting this. This is still on our door every year. I love it. So this is very much just a pretty daily scrapbooking, although this is a flashback. We bought in February, we had bought Devondale butter, and then they had a deal for Western Star butter, and they must have had so many they just gave it out to everyone with butter, who knows. This is back in the day when Coles Online used to give you a whole bundle of stuff for free just for fun. Documented things we were buying and what we were making. Phil's birthday. There's a lot of family birthdays around this time of year. My first time seeing a Tesla charging in the wild. Wow, things have changed. Bill was making our front fence at this point. Dance concert. Documenting children looking through December dailies. So these are all my December dailies to that point, and also some Christmas books. Emily doing a show for her teddies. Christmas carols. And I really actually like this album. It has heaps of space for photos and it has lots of journaling in it. And you know what? I do just like a simple background paper with a white edge on the photos and lots of photos. So I probably could make something like this today too. Some years I document with a lot fewer photos, like 2019, I think I just have one photo on each page, whereas here I've got lots and lots. Oop, that probably needs to be lined up again. So if I was going to change anything, I might go through and fix a few typos, make the fonts consistent. There you go. There must be a typo in this page as well. And then I just finished it off with another copy of that. And it's interesting, I I often print these out, and of course you proofread as best you can, but then when you actually get them back, there's different mistakes and things. So I generally always buy my books on sales and know that I will probably need to reprint it at some point. This one I haven't got round to redoing, so I probably should. And if you haven't got round to documenting December 2016, never fear. I have a class, Simple Family Yearbook, which shows you how you can take your photos and have AI help choose the best photos, and then have someone else do the scrapbooking for you. So you want to check out that class. It's Simple Family Yearbook, and I'll pop the link down here so you can check it out. And if you have documented 2016, I'd love you to link me up to what pages you were creating back then.
Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, click subscribe, and then click on the down arrow and select all, so you'll be notified each time I release a new video. And if you'd like to learn more, you can always head to digitalscrapbookinghq.com. Do you wish I could help you make your own photo book? Well, I can. Why don't you head over and check out my Simple Family Yearbook class. It's the easiest way to get a photo book done. This class is designed for the busy mum or grandma who wants to whip up a photo book in just a couple of hours. So we use auto curation to choose your photos and get it professionally designed for you. So all you have to do is make a few tweaks and order it. So why don't you take a sneak peek at the class? You can even preview some of the lessons here and get started telling your family stories.